Alright guys, just gonna do another episode. Sorry I've been slack. A couple of people have messaged me saying, you know, they want more videos, so I'm trying. I've just been working really hard. Finally got my shirt. AK Mike's Fishing. Love it. AK Mike's. First call bait and tackle. Cracker shop. If you haven't seen it, we're at 12227. No. Yeah, 1227 Canterbury Road, Punch Bowl. If you want to find us, go into Google and say first call bait and tackle in Punch Bowl and you will find us. Fresh baits. Anyway, enough of that. That's where I work. But we're fishing tonight. We've got some yabbies, we've got some mullet. Mullet's a cracker bait. We're going to chop some mullet up. We just got in now, guys, and I want to see how we go. We're going to target some whiting and target some brim and some jewies. Hopefully we get love yous, and hopefully all will we get some fish. Come on, lassie. Come on, lad. Oh, that might be another brim.
With that little brim run.
Hopefully it's a big whiting.
Skits run.
Hopefully it's a big whiting. Oh. Yeah, it's a brim. It's fighting like a brim. Brimmer in.
Whiting.
Oh, it's a whiting. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Nipron, bro.
Yeah, I told you that's small, bro. That's small compared to what come out of here, bro. Don't worry about that. Hey, lad.
Yeah, it gets bigger.
Yeah, get bigger, mate. That's an elbow slapper, but not an elbow slapper. Another whiting. Nice. I think it's a whiting. Hope it's a whiting. That's not going to get off.
Yeah.
No, shit off. It's not a whiting, it's a green. Fuck. Another brindo. Come on, lad. Come on, lad. Where's he? Where's he got? Yeah, he's a whiting. He's gone deep. Yeah. Oh no, it's a little brim. Little bastard. Little bastard.
Plenty of them about tonight.
There is. Almighty rang is on. Rang is on, and hopefully it's a nice whiting. Oh, it looks like a brim.
Head shakes like a brim.
But you never know. If you never know. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, gangster.
You going to do something? Or?
Just keep going. If he starts going deep, it's a whiting. And it's a might be a whiting. It might be a whiting. Yes, it might be. No, it's a brim. I can already tell why it's white. Oh, it's a whiting. Yes. Good boy. Bring him up, lad. Bring him. Oh, where you going? Bring him up, lad.
Man.
Hey?
The rod's fucking
oath.
flexible, eh?
Fucking oath, G.
He just got off too.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Lift that puppy up. Nice little elbow slapper. Oh, the end rod. Nice little elbow slapper. Good on your ranger.
I have to get it up. Yeah, look out.
I love fishing in the rain,
Stay
guys.
still for a sec. Maybe not.
Elbow slapper. Yeah. Can't keep up, lad. Can't keep up. Can't keep up. Oh, your other rod's gone. Oh, your other. Oh! Oh, little brim. Oh yeah, just not legal. But still, yeah, boy. Yep, it's definitely your night tonight, bro. I love it. Oh, come on, my man. Big rod's going. Come on. Bring him in. Bring him in, gangster. Please be a big whiting. Bring him in, gangster. Fuck, there's heaps of these little shits at the moment. Fucking hell. Anyway. Oh, bro. He's come on, bro. It'd be good to get this on film. Come on. Yank it one more time. Oh, bro, just I don't know what to do, bro. If you should rip it up or not. If it's not, I don't know, man.
Oh, that's better.
That's a bit better. What a night, boys.
Beautiful
What a night.
fish.
Go. Oh, my joy rod. Or is that you? Please go say, oh, it's you. Is that you?
Yeah.
Alright, just go around it. Yeah, wait. Alright, the brim, bro.
On a brim?
Yeah, I don't
Right.
No. He's on, bro. He's on.
No, he's not on.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this rod's. Yeah.
It could be. Might be swimming towards you. Keep going, keep going. Keep swimming.
It's
Fucking
that rod,
hell.
look. It's got that, it's tangled around the jewelry rod. Again.
You on again, boy?
I got beat by Daddy.
Let's hope so. I fucking hope it's a big brim, though.
Small brim,
You never know. You got like, it's not full like gear you got. It's like,
bigger rod.
yeah. Almost legal. Well, it might be legal.
Get a little brim.
See that?
Yeah, bro.
He's alright. He's alright.
He's alright. He's a good. Just maybe legal. Good boy. We're on. We're on. This is a catfish.
What do we got?
I knew it!
Ah.
Worst fish in the world. Hey, touch this, bro. We were just talking before. See this guy right here? I have to say it. He used to watch my videos, right? And then he came into the shop one day and we became best mates. Like, see what fishing does? Fishing just gets people together, and now he's a close mate of mine. So how beautiful is that? Bring him up, lad. Yes.
Bigger.
They're getting bigger, laddie. Show him properly. Just 'cause it's on the side.
Yeah, let's go hold of him.
Yeah.
There we
nice
go.
brim. Nice blue mouth. Good boy. Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. Proper fishing, man. Like proper, he goes, just goes for big fish. Doesn't go for small fish, eh? I gotta get him into brim fishing, plato fishing.
This might be a whiting. Remember I said?
Yeah.
Nah, it's not the
Brim?
Little brim.
Little brim.
Too little, but at least there's a fish around.
That's right.
This bait, live mullet. I just got a mad run for it. I don't use live mullet much, but it seems to be working. We should have hooked it, bro, you reckon?
Yeah, just
Through the head,
can.
here?
Yeah, there. That's where it seems to go good. Through his back.
There he's back.
Look at that.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Alright, let's see what we can get, eh?
I don't know if you can see that, guys. Nice little mullet swimming around.
They don't even make you feel good, bro. They just change your brain.
They do, they make me feel good at the start.
Yeah, like you feel
Nice
good.
and healthy.
They're fucking shit. Every time
Ready
I
to get
have a
smashed.
And it made me, because I was fucking 10s, bro, and I had anxiety. So I had
Come on, sick cunt.
oh yeah.
Yeah, bro. Well, yes. Look at that. Come on, my man. Oh, little flatty. Oh, on the mullet.
Live mullet.
Oh, yeah, threw the mullet out, yeah. See what these little mullets get? Lift it up, lad. Oh, yeah. Lift it up, lad. The mullet, the live mullet.
Done the
Fucking
job.
oath, bro. Yeah. Yeah, boy. It could be a crab.
What bait did you have on?
Whole fucking nipper, bro. The yabby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, it's the fucking other line.
Oh.
Of course.
Yeah, that's a brim. Yeah, you're on this one. I'm pretty sure.
Always sideways, eh?
Oh, it might be a. Nah, that's a fucking whiting, Buzz.
Fuck, it's It's alright, I think.
That's a whiting. Oh! I might be brim. Oh, nice brim maybe. Come on, G. Oh, yeah. Nice brim, bro. Oh, yeah, there you got him. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, nice heavy brim. Oh! Just snapped the line. Wow. Good on you, brother.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. What a night, lad. What a night. Hook up after hook up after hook up. Ooh, ooh. What's on that? Mullet.
A little brim.
Nah, little brim. Spewing. Oh, it's not that little. He's alright. Good boy. Not nice, but.
Oh, nice brim.
Not bad.
Nice brim.
Not massive, but not bad. Ilche. Yes, lass. Yeah, lad. It's got nice bend on it.
It's got weight.
Oh, this might be a big whiting, bro. What's that line there? Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! Fuck me. Big whiting. It's a big whiting, bro. It's a fucking stonker. Wait till you see this whiting. Wait till you see this whiting, bro. Wait till you see this fucking whiting. Don't let it snap! Bro!
Oh, it's really fucking going limits.
Bro! Wait till you see this whiting. Ready? Oh, it's a big brim.
Big brim.
Fuck yeah, bro. Oh, there are so. Oh, bro, don't let it snap. Don't let it snap. Oh, yes. Fucking lift it up, bro. Wow. Fucking sick, cunt. Good vibes, bro. Good vibes, huh?
That's a donk.
Fuck. That is a fucking big brim, bro. Hold it up, my man. Wow. Yeah, boy. He's a big boy, man. He's a big boy. Wow.
AKA Mike's fishing.
Yeah,
That's
mate.
what you get.
You caught that one, my man. You caught the biggest one. Good on you, bro. I've been waiting so long for this to happen. We are. He gotcha. He gotcha. Oh. Is it off? Oh.
Oh, gee.
Every rod's going off, bro.
Gee.
Come on, lad.
Oh, it's flipped over that. It's caught over my dewy line, lad.
Oh, no way.
No. It's a fucking little brim, but it's caught over my dewy line. That's why it's
That's-
fucking.
Is it a bridge? Did you see it?
Yeah, it's a brim. I can see it at the top. Look.
Oh, dog.
Bro.
The end result of a good night.